Hello, welcome to Gasby GH. Miss Cecilia Dapaah, the Minister of Sanitation and Water Resources, has resigned, and the President of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, has also accepted her resignation in good faith. Ebanisena Mamia resigning. In never be pensin mu. Assembly nyina say, ma me no si ni sika adie ma ne ma wa area wa report to ewo police station a ebaya afedie ma resigning. How? I didn't want resigning. Why na sem no so report no last year da na enne abato NPP mudi so abato aba enne na wo assembly say assign efunke mu bienwa lead to the minister's resignation. Na sika no hifo ne fire ni nara ne mawa and the fast sika no na how sika na eya he omko che we he omche ma he for the pensen sim ni na wa ha. And please, if you have not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, and then share your comments and also share this video so that all your friends and your families can also have access to listen to the gist that's happening in Ghana politics. Also, if you want to show us more support, head on to our website gatsbygh.com. Our Instagram account is also gatsbygh. Facebook is GH Gatsby. When you go to Twitter, is Ifiarai. Thank you so much for joining me. Yes, Miss Cecilia Dapaah, the Minister for Sanitation and Water Resources. And then in answer, it was the 21st of July, and yet say Assembly by say Miss Cecilia Dapaah said the sika are a year $1 million American dollars. Akron for afa. And ya no kwa 300,000 euros. And also akron for kroyara afa sika no. And so how the jewelries and in the bags and in Yema, it come up to a tune of $95,000 and also enkofu yafa. Afeni kente mako ensinya and also ye amount to $9,000. These are American dollars so and also enko akronfu yafa sesika no. Na afeni ku enter there in kotu in siutu ahoro and also ni na so amount to $3,000 and also enkofu yafa. No bebu say why na fa sesika no. Na ebanisena sesika enti senso edafie. Na o sika enti se edafie dia na ne bank so na nya hine go ho. Na only akono almost this much sika wo fie no sika wo kro no mu that much na oya ba adwuma sika hi na oje a watimi asiesie edro this amount and no enene ababede dwa Ghana 40 hwe yom so moti kwapai mo se adan na aban nipa obi a wo ya aban adwuma owo that much sika eda form na kro ni so aye fin sanitation minister mo kro na ye fin aye tan aye poto bia be ko biara got a more access say basa but Mami had $45 million under her administration just to keep her area sanitized. On CSC in the area no $45 million. Now $45 million the more training with the CSC the whole Ghana chrono cra it take a Ghana think any neat the amount of babesia ba coupe something CSC na yi ni kromo e ho fi keke on fa nye ho yie ni area e mu ahe na ode ye eno pon on account wie yo ena ene die $1 million 300,000 euros and millions of Ghana cedis egunifia akronfo area enji sikane kwa na omu wi aye no se na omu wi ndadaada asem ni nyina ne se o ma wa mienu aye se ba ko Satan no kitwa no was 17 years old last year. Second patient butchery. On in the madam in the senior abawa out no and never 30 years old. Our baby ket. Or no so this Sarah AJ. And mama when be in the edge ho. Yanko Sarah AJ dear we join the Juma resigning and or call where baby or na say if you on my reverend kakra omu so makoye epanifo aban nipa fo ni on ni kun omuti agbelempe member of parliament on ni kun ti agbelempe e na omusika ereira omujuwori se ereira omutade ereira do muntimi ntie mukase enti dako na papa ifre adwuma baaye papa ifo mu ba fie dako a ne dem ho na twede obi na ase we yi ne mebi wo ho ase obi hye ho no mo hwan ni na se me mesafo akọ adwuma e ba ne se na obi wo me dem ho no sei okoko hwe ya na ba wano patience na wo ye dan e wo draw yi mu patience na eyi ni eme patience na chesenti niema na ire na nyina wo na wo fa na se sen patient na ya chi na afi na won hu ne walking e na o say masa enye me na mefa na bebre ni nyina de madam patient madam Sarah ono nya wa resign on na offer na first no na se ye ba krono bona me na mehwe kwan na madam Sarah ene yiyi niema no bi na mehwe enna ye kokko report wasemi bioma police station pabam ena girl yi patients edwane ye investigation ko mu na no na ye kokko chi patients wo Tamale so on any boyfriend I see a friend no Benjamin on the boyfriend na je to akoko china Tamale o makoti na honu no makọ rent a dine 3 bedrooms no ma rent store enye sika no de rent in the bubruja and one ma the boyfriend the Benjamin yi 1 billion Ghana cedis and the ex-boyfriend so a friend Malik ono so one man 1 million Ghana cedis and the papa just 62-year-old man ono so hotin be bi tuni ko mantria ono so pay 50,000 Ghana cedis e the man so ono so fe kokko bone bra and omuto na sika na omudi and the Benjamin odi bi to car no danda ni mu no de ko no water for na fine ko see some koto Land Cruiser o se den no mu tisan ye koto se Honda Civic o chi se sika no senya omu blow na next ka mon company ka mon konko chema mu kro mu fo na sa ban sika e no bi awia na musuma awia thief man we the thief man na makoko thief man nti we ka mukọ na no na ka makọ na me call ba wadie no sika me kokọ nya ye ni nti mpese moje na mu chebi macromine for no omo brain kwara no mu nya sika nko school awofo mu nya sika ompo mu yare mu nya sika mpo frenfre mo no mu nche fine mpo ma wo na ki enwu se mu de adwuma papa investigation ko ma no na yesi ne na he fa na madam ba ko ne so tie he so be chi no akra baby na che se patience ya na wadi 18 on the boyfriend no omoto dan 3 bedroom e wa Accra ansana omudwanya kotamale omba beche madam Sarah no so resign no ono wa wofofro peche baby nga a otienu fo no ono so akoto dan e wa Accra 3 bedroom a ono so tim ni sika na aka ndi ni baby a ode se sika no efaye eni se yakwakochi enkofo emienu ene emrantie emiensen ye ka hu nti achi Sarah J patients butchery these are the chief thieves no multiple thieves no omo no and yakwakochi patients ne papa 62-year-old man no and yakwachi patients ne boyfriend Benjamin and yachi ne ex-boyfriend Malik inti nipa numi ne yachi omo a chese de omugu efiase and ya Bailey Sarah because Sarah is breastfeeding the baby it just be final conquer to jail and ya Bailey no na just amount of conditions so when meet there we come back and patients so there or no so ne busia for no da ho trim a so a year working on their bill na just say bill here and I say be you mo abefia ba train den yo say be ye den yo nti asem ni nyina no na no na me say yemusa ye ho say eba ne say na asem no was last year adan na enne na epie enne na omu ye campaign den no bagumia ye the campaign lenchemante ye the campaign Canada Japan ye the campaign eba ne say na enne na ye si campaign so den no enne na asem ye abepie enuanom wo wide bi share wo ho ana me idea me wo share wo ho ne say eyampa krono na happen baba wana wi sika no omacha ma omo nkrofo omudi no haphazardly so omo ehunya nsa ancha ma omukroma nenka ekromine for be benefit from sa krono sika na yakwakofa na omo so enya no omo ehu sa enya nsa na anye ne sa yakwakochi wom eba ne sei na enne na asemu sei na beda di womra last year na wo ho no me take on this and say this is my opinion. Before say omo de brebra niema so e de awie sika kese for campaign. What do you think? As far as I'm concerned, omo de brebra niema so at diverting Ghana for adwen afa baby awie sika kese pa enye 45 million. Nye na nsia na ekoji sika from IMF. Ahin ekoji ye bubuja. With me the zero ba kokra so ade so a the zeros be bre. As far as I'm concerned, omo wie sika e de campaign. Enti moma moni na ho mumiyama yeni na ho nyenhwa sem nimi ye enye we nkwa na ebedi akire mom mark all the member of parliament for no mom mark omu nyina ra na munya investigation. How can you have this such like sum of money and why is it now and asem we say no epie Some who a buy and so no mammy so resign never say na ka wodi nka na ka sika da edem na obi abewia na wodi kokko na say ye ka why now resign what we say ho say guilty conscience be anymore enti abusia mama yen read some of the comments na enkofo aye abano comment ni be say the resignation is not enough or say she needs to be investigated and so should all the ministers. They need to be asset and wealth disclosure for all government appointees prior to assuming position in government and annually after being appointed, and this has to be reviewed by an independent body who will publish these records for the citizenry to see. It is done in other parts of the world except Africa. And say that branch in other parts of the world biano government appointees, you have to declare your worth. Sika hina wo asset we we see baby finance na any day declare. Periodically we will review that as well because we file our taxes and that has to come to limelight. Sika hina wo every year. So na ye baby for bia yes say bia we are your money sika you bones we your money sika. Na say sika ya makwaji from IMF senia ye bedi no nyafo. And I make an assembly say the bread brand some so keke. I'm telling you. Yeah, the bread brand some so keke. Sika kesi na ankasa billions of dollars na ankasa ye de fa yen ko ho akọ. Ati ma me na resign na se wonye guilty how would you resign? Abusia, thank you for watching and thank you for listening. We'll continue to bring you more gist of our celebrities, of our politicians, those in power who needs to be scrutinized. We'll continue to scrutinize them. We'll continue to bring you all the gist that is happening, especially in Ghana, all over the world, in the diaspora. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click the subscription button and then ring notification bell, share, and make sure to leave your comment. Thank you so much.